what you make it. I remember the day I died. It's as clear as glass. Broken glass. I was in the park hanging out with some school friends. Blair, Triton, Maddie, and Jocelyn. We were talking about the latest song from our favorite band, The Angels. We heard a blood-curdling, spine-chilling, mind-shattering scream across the park. I whipped around and saw Sammy, my best friend. Pointing a shotgun at her was a man probably in his upper 30s. He had flame-like scars dancing diagonally up his face. I had no time to think. I dropped my phone and sprinted across the clearing. As I reached Sammy, I jumped in front of her and twisted to block her. As I did so, he pulled the trigger. Pain exploded, washing me like a tidal wave. My breath coming in quick, short breaths. The screaming around me sounded like deathly whispers as my eyes glazed over. I hit the ground with a thud. My world was spinning. Jocelyn and Sammy came into sight. Anouk! No, don't die! They were panicking. They cannot panic, I thought. Do something. It'll be okay. Don't worry. Just get out of here. Get to safety, then get help. I will be fine. My voice wavered as I tried to calm them. I knew that I would not make it, but I didn't want them to panic. Okay, we will go. This was from Sammy, who was trying not to sob as she tried to lead Jocelyn away. No, I won't go. You can't make me. Jocelyn screamed, tears racing down her cheeks. Leave, please. I want you to. Please, for me, I said just above a whisper. Okay, I will be right back, and only because you told me to, she said as Sammy quickly led her away in all the chaos. My peripheral vision was starting to cloud up. A slow tear started to fall. I quickly wiped away the dampness from my skin, wincing as pain shot up my side. I had to face death bravely.
Death is
It
what
was
you make
traditional
it.
Cherokee warrior way. My vision started to blur as more tears came. I fought against the tears. Losing the battle, I felt my muscles relax. Light started to fade, as well as the screams of agony around me. Darkness. Stillness. Peacefulness.
Death is what you make it. Death is what you make